Out my river. No. Because them a dash chlorine or some poison something in the water.
Don't have high intention to hurt that person. But the other person that behave certain ways.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Hey, what my people, Dancehall Skilla there again. Blessed manners and respect to each and everyone. Yeah, big up to all of my loyal viewers and subscribers. Anyway, so my people, I am going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happen when a person uses at least one object to damage parts of a motor vehicle. In my point of view, that was not normal behavior. I don't know why the person did what the person had done, but I think, well, in my point of view, I think that there's at least one reason why the person did what the person had done. See? And I think the person did more than just that in the viewers subscribers. But anyways, I want to pay attention to some words that have been said in the video and pay attention to what at least one person was doing in the video as well too. So I say, and I want to say big up and respect to at least one person who was trying to de-escalate the situation. Viewers subscribers, look and listen to this video. Leave a comment or comment section what you think about this type of situation. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
No, relax, my boss. Relax. Relax yourself, Miss You. Relax yourself. Relax. Relax, Miss You. Oh, yeah. Relax, Jesus Christ is Lord.
Look at the things that the person has done. The person's behavior. Look. And listen.
You take out the thing already. Relax. Jesus Christ. Charlie, relax. Have a call for more. Jesus Christ.
I wonder if I'm motor vehicle that. But why keep looking for people? Because there's more.
Charlie, relax.
Why?
Seriously, kila kwa si bodo kama ko. Desa kwa mo jona check mama. Yes, she.
I wonder why.
Mas vai ser polícia para mudar. Vai ser polícia check mal com a. Mas só disse a mudar. E a já não sabe. E a chula sorte. E a já não sabe o que isso é. Não pode ver a check mal. A gente tá com mola check.
Okay.
So you happy?
You see the video? Well, I know. See, because I think that certain other things happen as well too. After certain things happen. You see, that's about, listen. I think that depending on who's the owner of a motor vehicle, I'm seeing the video, that there might be trouble after that whole thing happened for someone. At a gathering where you can see a lot of persons wearing shirts and hats that have the color green on it, you can see a person wearing this color. Look at the video. Now look at the amount of persons who you can see in the video wearing green shirts and hats. And you can see this person in that color that is definitely not green. Then again, this is how people should live. It doesn't matter what color you wear. Not because you might represent or you support a type of political party that wear a certain color. Why? A person want to wear, but the person want to wear, don't it? Another topic. So I say, now I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened when a person who was holding an object was behaving aggressive towards two persons. It seems as if two persons who we can see in the video did not have high intention to hurt a person who was behaving certain ways. Because in my point of view, one person who you can see in the video had the intention to beat and or hurt two persons who you can see in the video badly. But it seems as if they were able to stop the person from doing certain things. The video shows when at least one person hit someone with an object. Now overall, based on how the person who you can see in the video down on a part of a ground that at least one point and was holding an object was behaving, it makes me wonder about the person's mental health. See, yeah, I wonder about that person's mental health. But anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe. It's like that person don't have high intention to hurt that person, but the other person have made certain ways. From the person. Some person will live in a certain way. Be certain ways. So I say, yeah, why is that some persons who are not that big in body be certain ways? You wonder about that person mental health. That's one topic right now. What is look at the person's face. No one let me see good.
Kill you!
Let me see right now. What? The people I wonder about that person's mental health. Anyways, on another topic here, my people, because that look away right this. You see, now my people, I'm not sure, but I think that there are a lot of persons who might have hear someone talk about what some Jamaicans call saltfish head. See, now I can speak for myself, but I can't speak for everyone because I'm not sure how many persons might have ever seen what some Jamaicans call saltfish head. But in a video that I'm about to present to you, me a person mention saltfish head in the video. But people, listen to me carefully. I am not a scientist. I am not no expert fisherman. So therefore, I am not able to confirm if any words that anyone said in this video are accurate or even true. Let me say that again. I am not able to confirm if any words that anyone said in this video are accurate or even true pertaining to saltfish head. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Oh, and the video shows what seems to be a type of food or a type of fish that had been prepared to a certain type of way. Also,
people lie about saltfish head ugly. See saltfish head here. See that? This is saltfish head. See that? Saltfish head. This. See that? Saltfish head.
My people, again, I'm not able to confirm if some words said in the video are accurate or even true. I'm not no expert fisherman and I'm not no expert scientist. So, my people? Alright, let me make that very clear. Now, I'm going to present a video to you that I somewhat edited, viewers, subscribers. And the reason I edit the video is because of the situation that I can see in the video. The video that I'm about to present to you shows what looks like dead fishes. Yeah, the video that I'm about to present to you shows what look like dead fishes in a body of water. My people, the person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person somewhat gave a type of location, but I'm not able to confirm exactly where the video will be recorded. The thing is, though, my people, see, I'm presenting the video so you can at least listen to the audio and to bring some form of awareness when it comes on to what the person was talking about. Because in my point of view, that's not a joking thing. So, who know, and who might have an understanding as to what the person has said, I saw it goes. So I say, but let's try to bring an awareness because this look away right there. So, and if somebody case, that's a bad thing. Viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe with me.
This is in Port Barra River. Could the fish them are dead. All I fish them are dead. Be a young fish. So wonder it so.
10, 20.
What if it's one day? Why so one more day? All I fish them are dead, guys. Port Barra River. No. Because them are dash chlorine or some poison something in the water. My mom will say all I fish them are push up your head so they don't normally do. And they might come up on your son and dead pan right on the bank inside right there. So this is in Port Barra, guys. Port Barra River. I don't know what going on. Exactly. See one there right there, so I see them, I see it already. See one next fish there right there, so. There. Next big one there. The next big one. The amount of fish are down in line, guys. Why am I kill that fish? Could they? Little fish, one, see one day, see one day, see one day. Okay.
My people, may edit the video to keep it as family friendly as possible. Or to keep this video as family friendly as possible, I should say. My people, that's not a joke in that. No, that's no joke, guys. The environment, the fishes, the river, keep it clean. Don't dump anything that can damage it. Or damage. Don't do it. I think here's where I'm going to leave it. So big up and respect to each and every one. If you're new to my channel, click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Remember to click all, and until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch.
Dancehall skilla.